स्टार्ट.
आज आपण शिकणार आहोत ट्युटोरियल हाऊ टू ड्राईव्ह स्विफ्ट ऑटोमॅटिक. सो हिअर इज द की. दिस इज ऑफ मारुती सुझुकी keyless entry automatic transmission, AMT automated manual transmission. Here this is DDIS 1.3 liter MJD multi-jet diesel small diesel engine. It is only up to 200 to 300 kilograms, very light, so it gets more torque and car pushes off like a rocket. It gets 200 Newton meters of torque and 89 horsepower. It has here the instrument cluster, analog and digital. Here it shows the gear which we are in. This reverse. Here. Then here we have IRV. It is not auto dimming. Here we have the lights. Then here is the switches for side mirrors closing. Then here we have its adjustment. Here we have one touch down windows. Then here we have automatic climate control, automatic. Then here we have infotainment, this. Then here we have handbrake. Here we have handbrake. Here we have armrest. Here we have aftermarket fitted our ambient lights. Then here it is the steering wheel. Here it is volume increase decrease button. Then here it is the channel ahead behind button. Here it is call pick up hang up and Bluetooth connect button. Here it is charger. It is 12 watt 120 watt charging power socket. Here we have USB-C. Here it is place for some storage. Here we can store some mobile or some keys. Then here we have wiper washer. Here we have light controls. It has 3 stages light, which is one. We cannot show here, it is public area. This is 1, 2 and this fog lamp 3. Then here we have trip reset, range, average. Then here trip A, trip B. Here we have time, we have temperature, all the warning symbols, and the speedometer, kilometer per hour. So this is all we need to know about this car.
Would you recommend this car?
No, I cannot recommend because now diesel is being discontinued, and now which comes is 3-cylinder petrol, which is not much powerful or punch which you get in 4-cylinder petrol Swift. So it's better you can consider for Fronx or Baleno.
So Swift automatic is not a good car.
It is a good car, but you won't get that 4-cylinder punch or power in it now, which it was earlier.
So why do you have this car?
I have because it is diesel and 4-cylinder. It also has a turbo in it, which it comes from factory fitted.
Why is the diesel car discontinued?
Diesel car is discontinued due to BS6 norms. This Fiat engine stopped manufacturing this 1.3 liter. So from 1.5 liter onwards, the diesel engine are available.
Which car is good, CNG, petrol or diesel?
It's upon your use. If you are using in city day to day, but you have more running, then CNG might be a good option. Then if you want torque or you have mostly highway runs, then diesel is good for you. Thanks for watching this video. If you thought it was helping or it will definitely help for your next future car. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.